Previously on Drenched, we sailed to Pigeon Island, a marine preserve made famous by Jacques Cousteau, where we did some incredible scuba diving. Then we celebrated Guadeloupe's national holiday in a picture-perfect bay with all the rum a sailor could ever ask for. My name's Jordan.
And I'm Nate.
We are two scuba diving instructors on a mission to see the world. The whole world, not just what lays above the surface of the sea.
Join us on an adventure as we travel, dive, and explore this crazy big world we call Earth.
Probably one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen with my own two
I'm putting up our Hawaiian flag. Woo. Probably don't see many of these around these islands. Yeah, very cool. Straight ahead, what do we got, Kelly?
Lighthouse?
No, straight ahead.
Saints. So many.
On to the next one. I don't feel like I'm finished here. I see myself coming back to visit Guadeloupe in my life, actually.
You know the boat's moving when Tiki starts going crazy. Saints, and nobody even puked on the way over. It was a good day. It was a good hangover sail day.
It was a hell of a good sail.
Yeah.
We are in.
And we have officially arrived at the French island. They think I'm just filming the sign, so that's how I can get away with this right now. Oh my god. Look how cute. These are the tiniest, sweetest, cutest little baby goats I've ever seen in my whole life. And I love them. Look at you. You're a little angel. Took a little bit of French English, but we figured out where the water is. So that's pretty cool because we're pretty much out of water. Dispares en mer. Lost at sea. Oh. This guy, don't know who you are. But you look like you're petting a seal. Or a dog.
After an admittedly rough hangover day, we went for a ladies' stroll around this incredibly French island. We wandered through the quaint streets and alleys, soaking up the relaxing sights and sounds of this peaceful rock in the middle of the Caribbean Sea.
Bonjour. Comment ça va?
Here's our dive site for this morning. Sugar Mountain or something like that. Sugar Hill. No, Sugar Bread Hill, that's right.
We passed this unique formation as we sailed in the day before, and we suspected there would be some pretty cool diving there based on the topography above the water. So we dinghied over and hopped in to see for ourselves.
All right. We had a quick overnight in Ile de Saints. Kiki's going crazy, as you can see.
That means we're sailing.
That means we're sailing,
Starts
yeah.
going crazy.
But it was cool. We had some good pizza. People were very friendly. Jordan spoke the French. She spoke all the French, and I see how important that is that somebody in the group knows the language, because people just like warm up to you instantly. They try to connect with you more. Like, yeah, she'll just start saying a little bit in French, just a little bit, and then they'll start speaking a little bit of English. So that was cool to see. And people were very friendly. There it is, Ile de Saints. Check, check. Now we're off to, where are we going, Rick?
Dominica.
I can't wait. He's been raving about it, so we'll see what it's all about.
We got reef and rocks on both sides. And Rick's gonna do what he does best, which is fit it in a tight spot.
Threading the needle on this pass. The weather's good, so we should be good. That's why I got the engine in the sails. We have any trouble. Yeah, we gotta watch it. It gets shallow fast on both sides as we go through. So I always favor the windward side in case anything happens. We've got room to drift down.
To paradise, brah. Excited, everybody? We made it. Heard you hit a new record today flying the drone. How high did you go?
1,300 feet.
1,300 feet.
Yeah,
That's pretty.
cool.
That's pretty cray cray.
Beautiful. Sun came out right as the boat was going through it, where you can just see it
Yeah.
when you see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool looking.
Cut to 1,300 feet.
Cut. Transition.
Yes, man. I knew you'd be lurking around somewhere. All good?
Yes, all good. And how are you?
Good, man. Excellent. Glad to be home.
All right.
Long time, huh?
Yeah.
Almost 2 years this time.
Yes. Oh, yes. What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
Alexis.
Alexis, I'm Nate.
Nate, nice to meet you. Hi. Sasha. How you
Welcome
doing,
back,
Sasha?
man.
What's up, buddy? Doing good? Everything good?
Yeah, man, good to see you.
Yes, yes.
So what's going on over here, Kelly? Tell us the story from the beginning.
The boat struggles.
Tell us the struggle. Tell us your struggle.
I left my hatch open today and water got in there and it was fine. I got everything off the bed. We're just trying to air dry everything. But when I went to hang the comforter, with 3 pins, it still fell off the side of the boat, so it got submerged in the salt water. And here we are trying to rinse out the salt water, which is just choosing more fresh water.
Stay salty. Yeah. And we're gonna use the washboard that Nate's sister brought us about 3 months ago. We gotta use it just so that we can tell her that we used it one time. Nate's sister brought this in her luggage.
How to use it. I don't even know how to use it.
You just
I
like.
do because I saw a movie called Far and Away. Have you seen that movie?
Do you ever wonder why it takes you so long, Shannon? Move over. Move over. You take the soap in your right hand, the clothes in the left. Now you brush the soap across the clothes twice, like so. Then you plunge and scrub. You plunge and scrub. Plunge and scrub. And plunge and scrub. And plunge and scrub and lift. And if it's still not clean, then you go again.
I only know that from Far and Away. I learned so many things from movies. Thank you,
Nicole Kidman.
No, she didn't know what. She didn't know shit. Thank you, Tom Cruise.
Oh really? See, I
Thank
don't
you,
really
Tom
remember that
Cruise.
movie.
Ready? Steady. Boom.
Boom. Not nothing.
What day is it?
It is Parrot Day.
Third day.
Parrot Day.
Okay, sorry Tiki, we're gonna cheat on you. We're gonna go find the real wild parrots.
What's this?
Our chariot has arrived. You know Megan's ready for parrots because she got her parrot shirt on today. What's Dominica? The 4 R's?
The land of the 4 R's. We call it the lands of the 4 R's, which mean the land of the rain, rivers, rainbows, and romance.
So the area that we're going, it's
forested, well-cultivated areas.
the parrots, is that like they're all over, but that's the best place to see them, or do they really only tend to stay in that
this
one
type
area?
of birds, because of the elevation, they don't live in low-lying area. Anything below 2,000 feet, you won't find much of them.
Oh,
They might
cool.
go in search of food during the day,
Yeah.
but when the time to come for nesting or living, they use the high grounds. These are the boa constrictor.
Woo. We just had our first parrot sighting. They were flying around far away, but we couldn't really see them. Come to me, parrots. That was cool. Saw them flying.
We'll hike the trail of Mont Diablo in search of our Jaco parrots and our Sisserou parrots.
We made our way along the trail, shaded by the lush canopy that towered above us. We were on the hunt for the Jaco and the Sisserou, 2 wild parrot species that can't be seen anywhere else in the world. While Dominica is home to 167 different species of birds, the Sisserou remains the national bird and is displayed proudly on the country's flag.
We are just taking pictures. We can't find any parrots yet, so we're just there enjoying our time by making romance with nature. I always watch this as a big ass woman. The shape.
big ass woman,
That's the
yeah.
bottom split right there. It's like this.
Yes.
And the bottom split right there. That's why my imagination always like this. Oh, he's the whistle of the monkey. everything is happening to us now.
Did you see that?
Nature
Yeah.
is speaking to us now.
Oh, there's another one somewhere.
All right, well, we saw a couple parrots flying around. Nothing up close, but it was still really cool. And we saw a boa constrictor and cool trees, and it was really awesome. And now we're going to the waterfall.
The black culture, how we have some kind of something that gets in our soul, and it's like, you know, it's like you don't care, you don't bother, you just know, well, you know, the music, you know. And so it's kind of music that like kind of inspires us, drives us to, you know.
All right, this is where the trail begins to Milton Falls.
So good. Amazing.
Double fist and papaya like a boss. This is the best day in Nate's life.
Baby dinosaur.
Baby dinosaur.
As we set off towards the waterfall, it became clear how full of abundance this island really was. We couldn't walk 10 feet without Serge stopping to give us a bite of starfruit, a mango, or a banana. There was nutmeg and cinnamon growing wild, sugarcane peeking out from the side of the road. Dominica has the highest percentage of centenarians per capita in the world, and this is largely attributed to the simple and natural diet that literally comes straight from their backyard.
Kelly, did you just see a parrot while I was in the bathroom?
I think he took off from somewhere over here and he went across the hallway.
Was it
Saw his little
amazing?
green body against all that green too.
Oh, cool.
It's so cool.
Nice.
They're out there.
Was it amazing?
It was amazing.
Yeah. Cool, man.
Tune in next time as we explore a creepy river, then celebrate Nate's birthday with some spectacular scuba diving and a search for the world's largest predator, the sperm whale.